From the first period until menopause, a woman's life has always been accompanied by physiological transformation, and estrogen is a catalyst behind all these changes. The estrogen secretion of a healthy woman will reach its peak at the age of 30. However, there are multiple factors that cause low estrogen, such as poor lifestyle and unbalanced diet, wrong approach to weight loss, excessive exercise, family history of hormonal issues, and diseases such as thyroid diseases or ovarian diseases. As estrogen helps to maintain the health of the female reproductive system, some of the symptoms triggered by low estrogen are irregular menstruation, infertility, loss of moisture on skin, reduced energy and vitality, irritability and depression, increase in UTI, hot flashes, night sweats, and loss of libido. Specially formulated for women ages 20 to 35. Saffron Noble Formula. Novia, the precious gift for women. Help to eliminate menstruation discomfort by regulating estrogen. Feel and look young by maintaining your biological age. Novia can help to regulate estrogen levels, alleviate premenstrual discomfort, shorten the duration of period cramps, improve skin radiance and elasticity, calm emotions and relieve stress, delay body aging. Novia's main ingredients are saffron, the most expensive spice in the world, manjakani, a natural rejuvenating herb, kachip fatima, the secret of youth for Malay women, topped up with meca, pueraria, hops, and fenugreek. All these 7 natural nutrients can help to maintain uterus and hormone health. Dedicated for women. 1 capsule of Novia a day. Shine bright every day.